In order to draw this character, you only need an iPad and an Apple Pencil. You don't need exercise in drawing, but why? Because I'm about to show you how to sketch it from scratch step by step. Yeah, you heard right. So stay tuned if you are in love with character design. This sketch is a middle-aged man wearing comfy clothes of young people. We start off by base and sketch details of the face. I want its nose to be so big to have an interesting contrast. Now, in this part, I give a mustache. Let's head to body. Head to body? Ironic, huh? To have cleaner, we erase it and start over with more details. These wrinkles make his face more interesting and more natural. I draw a turtleneck shirt for him, which has a very large neck and a shawl. Here is his pants. I spent more time on leg to give it more perspective and make it look natural. And this is our final draft. But wait, this is not literally our final draft, cause I don't husher it. And in our next video, I'll be making you surprised with nice painting for this sketch. Subscribe so you don't miss it.